Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to set up your smartphone. As you can see, this tab was factory reset and now we have to set up it from the beginning. Firstly, let's tap Start. Next, select Language, Agree to terms, and now you can set it up with another device or you can set it up manually. Add network or turn off Wi-Fi. Now you can connect to mobile network or you can set it up later. You can copy apps and data, or you can skip it. Now you can sign into your Google account, or else in the end you can set up protect your tablet function, where you can enable face recognition, fingerprints, pattern, PIN or password, and again you can skip it. All of those settings can be set up later in the system settings. Choose your browser engine, set as default. Now sign in to your Samsung account. Agree to Samsung terms. Now you can select Samsung services. You can choose display mode. And it's all done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.